Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, we're going to this question from paper 4, May-June 2008. Question 8b. So the question wants us to come up with the sequence of amino acids for the structure of a polypeptide A, making use of all these tripeptides, where we could only make use of each tripeptide once only. And question also wants us to start the sequence of polypeptide with MET and end the structure with lysine. So let's see how we could move into it. So first of all, we got to make use of the first one because we need to start the sequence with MET. So we will have MET, ALA, and GLY for the first tripeptide to use. So from here, we could actually see we have ALA, GLY, and we have here ALA, GLY from another amino acid. So then we can know that the sequence continue with another ALA. So next to go, we will have GLY, ALA, and we can see GLY, ALA for another amino acid. So then we know that the structure continue with another GLY. So next to go, we will have ALA, GLY from this amino acid, and then this will continue with another ARG. So we'll have two more to go. So we can actually see we have GLY, ARG, and GLY, ARG here. So then the structure will continue with another VAL. And last to go, we can actually see we have ARG, VAL, and we have ARG, VAL, and just nice, the sequence end with lysine, LYS. So this is the sequence of amino acids in polypeptide A. So next question C. The question wants us to give two examples of how interchanging the position of two amino acids could affect the bonding in the protein structure and hence the overall structure of protein. So interchanging the position of two amino acids could actually disrupt the interaction of side chain to side chain in a tertiary structure or a quaternary structure of protein. So any of these side chain to side chain interaction could give us 2 marks. So we will have disruption of any of these side chain. So any of these two from the 4 side chain. So we can have hydrogen bonding or ionic bonding or van der Waals bonding of forces. Last to go, we can have disulfide bonding. So any of these two give us 2 marks. And next one, hence the overall structure of the protein. So it could unfold the tertiary structure of protein. And hence, it will inactivate or changing the active site of an enzyme. So with all these points, we could get 4 marks for this question. Thank you.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.